The F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet, it's a revolutionary leap in aviation technology. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this fifth-generation marvel is designed to dominate the skies with unparalleled versatility. Imagine a flying command center that excels in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare missions. That's the F-35 for you. One of its standout features is its stealth capability. The unique design and radar-absorbent materials make it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. This stealth technology provides a critical advantage in modern warfare, allowing pilots to engage in missions with a level of safety and effectiveness that was previously unimaginable. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll find cutting-edge avionics that redefine what it means to be a pilot. The helmet-mounted display system offers a 360-degree view, integrating vital mission data right into the pilot's line of sight. This means that information is always at their fingertips, enhancing situational awareness and decision-making in the heat of battle. Speed and agility are also hallmarks of the F-35. With the ability to break the sound barrier at over Mach 1.6, this jet performs sharp maneuvers that leave adversaries in the dust. The combination of speed and precision makes it a formidable force in any combat scenario. The F-35 comes in 3 distinct variants, each tailored for specific missions. The F-35A is designed for conventional takeoff and landing, perfect for Air Force operations. The F-35B, with its short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities, is ideal for marine and expeditionary missions. Then there's the F-35C, built for carrier-based operations with larger wings and reinforced landing gear. Each variant enhances the versatility of the F-35, making it a cornerstone of modern military strategies. Globally, the F-35 is making waves. Over a dozen allied nations have adopted this advanced fighter, strengthening defense collaborations across the globe. Its adaptability ensures that it fits seamlessly into various military frameworks, enhancing collective security. However, the F-35 program hasn't been without its controversies. High costs and development delays have raised eyebrows, leading to criticism. Yet, the ongoing improvements and updates are addressing these challenges, ensuring that the F-35 remains a vital asset for the foreseeable future. The F-35 Lightning II is more than just a fighter jet. It embodies human ingenuity and innovation. It's redefining how air power shapes the future of global security, standing as a symbol of precision and dominance in the skies.